Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of Fold Amicus Therapeutics, traded on the NASDAQ. As of December 20, 2025, Fold is priced at $14.18, marking a significant move in recent trading sessions. In this video, we'll break down the latest technical indicators, price action, and momentum shifts over the past 3 months. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these signals can help you make more informed decisions. Let's begin by setting the stage with a quick overview of Fold's recent performance and why it's catching the attention of market watchers. Over the last 64 trading days, Fold has shown a remarkable upward trajectory. Starting from lows near $7.67, the stock has climbed steadily, reaching a recent high of $14.36. This surge is not just a random spike, it's backed by strong trading volumes and consistent momentum. The last few sessions in particular saw a dramatic jump, with daily returns peaking at over 30%. Such moves often signal a shift in market sentiment, possibly driven by news, earnings, or broader sector trends. Let's look closer at the technical indicators supporting this rally. Short-term moving averages, such as the 5-day and 10-day SMAs and EMAs, are crucial for identifying immediate trends. Currently, the SMA 5 stands at 11.57 and the EMA 5 at 11.9, both well below the current price. This gap indicates strong bullish momentum, as the price is consistently trading above its recent averages. The 10-day averages tell a similar story, with SMA 10 at 10.78 and EMA 10 at 11.16. Such alignment of short-term averages below the current price often suggests that buyers are in control, pushing the stock higher. Looking at the 20 to 50-day moving averages, we see further confirmation of the bullish trend. The SMA 20 is at 10.31 and the EMA 20 at 10.53, both trailing behind the current price. The 50-day averages, SMA 50 at 9.44 and EMA 50 at 9.64, are even further below. This wide separation between price and moving averages is a hallmark of strong upward momentum. It also means that any pullbacks may find support at these levels, as traders often look to these averages for potential entry points. When we extend our view to the 100, 150, and 200-day moving averages, the bullish picture becomes even clearer. The SMA 100 is at 8.56, SMA 150 at 7.73, and SMA 200 at 7.67. All these are far below the current price, indicating that Fold has broken out of long-term resistance levels. This kind of separation is rare and often signals a major trend change, possibly driven by fundamental shifts or significant news. Long-term investors may see this as a sign of sustained strength. Volume is a key component in confirming price moves. Fold's recent sessions have seen a dramatic spike in volume, with the latest daily volume exceeding 188 million shares, far above its average. The volume ratio over 20 days is 12.64, and relative volume is at 21.35, both indicating exceptionally high trading activity. Such surges in volume typically accompany strong price trends and can signal institutional interest or news-driven buying. High volume also means increased liquidity, making it easier for traders to enter and exit positions. Bollinger Bands help us understand volatility and potential price extremes. For Fold, the upper band is at 12.3, the middle at 10.31, and the lower at 8.33. The current price is well above the upper band, which is unusual and often signals an overbought condition. The Bollinger Band width is 0.385, indicating a recent expansion in volatility. When prices break above the upper band, it can mean the stock is in a strong uptrend, but it also raises caution for potential pullbacks or corrections. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. Fold's RSI 14 is at a staggering 91.12, with RSI 21 at 87.26 and RSI 28 at 84.06. Typically, an RSI above 70 is considered overbought, so these readings are extremely high. This suggests that the stock is in a very strong uptrend, but it also warns of potential exhaustion. Traders often watch for RSI to drop back below 70 as a sign that a correction may be underway. The MACD indicator is another powerful tool for gauging momentum. Fold's MACD value is 0.695, with a signal line at 0.415 and a histogram of 0.28. The positive MACD and histogram values indicate that the short-term momentum is firmly bullish. Additionally, the MACD momentum reading of 0.321 further supports this view. When the MACD is above its signal line, it's a classic buy signal, and the current configuration suggests that the uptrend remains intact. The stochastic oscillator measures the closing price relative to its price range over a set period. Fold stock K14 is at 90.52 and stock D14 at 87.77, both well above the 80 threshold that typically signals overbought conditions. The stock RSI-K is at a maximum 100, reinforcing the idea that the stock is extremely overbought in the short term. While this can persist in strong trends, it's also a warning sign for potential pullbacks. Momentum indicators like Momentum 10, 4.28, and Momentum 24.73 are both strongly positive, reflecting the rapid price acceleration. The rate of change ROC 14 is at 44.69 and the price acceleration is 3.12, both pointing to a powerful upward move. These readings confirm that not only is the price rising, but it's doing so at an increasing rate. Such momentum can attract short-term traders looking to capitalize on the trend, but it also increases the risk of sharp reversals. The average true range, ATR, measures market volatility. Fold's ATR 14 is at 0.605, and the NATR 14 is 4.27, both indicating heightened volatility in recent sessions. True volatility is also at 4.27, matching the NATR. High ATR values often accompany strong trends, but they can also signal increased risk. Traders may use ATR to set wider stop losses or to gauge the potential for larger price swings in the near term. Unbalanced volume, OBV, is a cumulative indicator that uses volume flow to predict price movements. Fold's OBV stands at an impressive 291,552,057, reflecting the massive buying interest in recent sessions. A rising OBV typically confirms an uptrend, as it shows that volume is supporting the price move. This alignment between price and OBV adds confidence to the bullish case, suggesting that the rally is backed by real money flowing into the stock. The Money Flow Index, MFI, combines price and volume data to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Fold's MFI 14 is at 93.41, which is extremely high. Typically an MFI above 80 signals overbought conditions, so this reading suggests that the stock may be due for a pause or pullback. However, in strong uptrends, MFI can remain elevated for extended periods. It's important to watch for any signs of divergence or a drop below 80 as a potential early warning. The Average Directional Index, ADX, measures the strength of a trend, regardless of direction. Fold's ADX 14 is at 51.45, with an ADXR 14 of 49.23, both indicating a very strong trend. The DX 14 is at 79.36, plus DI 14 at 58.03, and minus DI 14 at 6.68, all confirming that the current trend is not only strong but also decisively bullish. High ADX values above 40 are rare and typically mark powerful, sustained moves. The Arun indicator helps identify the beginning of a new trend. Fold's Arun up is at 100, while Arun down is at 0, resulting in an Arun oscillator of 92.86. This is a textbook signal of a strong, fresh uptrend. When Arun up is at its maximum and Arun down at its minimum, it means the stock is consistently making new highs, and the trend is likely to continue in the near term. Support and resistance levels are critical for planning trades. Fold's current pivot point is at $14.23, with resistance at $14.31 and support at $14.11. The stock is trading just below its resistance, suggesting a potential breakout if buying pressure continues. Conversely, if the price fails to break through, it may pull back to the support level. These levels can serve as reference points for setting stop losses or profit targets. Volatility is a double-edged sword. Fold's Volatility 30 is at 5.68, and True Volatility is 4.27, both indicating that price swings have been larger than usual. The risk-reward ratio is only 0.037, suggesting that while the upside has been strong, the risk of a sharp reversal is also present. Traders should be cautious and consider using protective stops or reducing position sizes to manage risk in such an environment. Linear regression provides a statistical view of the trend. Fold's Lin-Reg slope is 0.048, indicating a positive upward trend, while the Lin-Reg intercept is 7.57. The predicted price is 10.68, but the actual price is much higher, with a deviation of 3.5 or 32.71%. This suggests that the current price is well above its statistical trend, which can sometimes precede a mean reversion or correction. However, in strong bull markets, prices can remain above trend for extended periods. Fold's overall technical score is 75, and the Trend Quality Index is 261.23. These high scores reflect the alignment of multiple bullish indicators and the quality of the current uptrend. The momentum score is 53.68, further confirming the strength of the move. Such high technical ratings are rare and typically attract both momentum traders and longer-term investors looking for strong trends. In summary, Fold has experienced a powerful breakout, supported by strong technical indicators, high volume, and robust momentum. While the trend remains bullish, several indicators are flashing overbought signals, suggesting that a short-term pullback or consolidation is possible. Traders should stay alert for any signs of reversal, but the overall outlook remains positive as long as key support levels hold. As always, risk management is crucial in such volatile conditions. Thanks for joining this technical analysis. Stay tuned for more updates on Fold and other market movers.